Hey everyone. So in this video, I will uncover the truth about Chuzhao camera. Is it a scam or is it really that good? So Chuzhao digital camera is advertised as a 100% digital camera. This device gives you more control over the photos and videos that you take. It has 1080 video and 12 MP sensor. So it designs echoes the craftsmanship about classic 1930s camera. It is very precise and it is an impressive product. But is it really that good, or is it just marketing which is making it this good? After thorough research, we have come to this that other websites like AliExpress and Alibaba has this same camera for as lowest as $10. This suggests that the company is rebranding and selling it as a higher price with dropshipping websites like this. And customers have to bear the cost of returning items, which can involve shipping them back to China if you're not satisfied with your product. You could end up by paying more fees than the camera itself, and the company only provides you with an email which is very generic. And this email, like it is used by many other websites, this raises serious concerns about their legitimacy. And the website uses phrases like limited offer available and also like 40% off. So this creates a sense of urgency in which the buyer thinks that the offer is ending and we just have to buy it. Now, after all those thorough research and the drop shipping platforms, these red flags should make you pause and think carefully before buying this camera. So, what's the verdict? What's the end point? Is it the camera really worth it? So, saying that Chuzhao camera is a scam, but most of the claims are not true, it's clear that the website has several concerning practices from drop shipping origins to questionable return policies and limited transparency. You should definitely approach the purchase with caution or advice. Do your own research, weigh the pros and cons, and trust your instincts before making any decisions. Thank you for watching.